Ball is controlled. Picked up on the low left side. Here's Jaron looking inside. He has Kean Beaver. Big save. So here comes Onondaga again. This is Gavin Windhauser. Oh, we got a delayed penalty coming up here. Looks like to Jaron Perry. Porter at the top. Here's Hall. Good defense there. Emmett Williams. Here's Halberter. Shot score! Picked up by Kean Beaver. Then Newtown's got numbers. Here's Beaver. One-on-one with Thomas. Oh, just save. Good save by Newtown offense out there. Dalen Stevens. Big shot. Save by Thomas once again. Greg, we're in for a goalie game here. So here we go with, this looks like Evan John. Evan John being guarded up to Emmett Williams. It gets away. Williams being guarded by Oguo Hall. Picked up by Onondaga. Here comes Onondaga. Trevor Marino. He chases it down. Porter's got Halberter coming in. Halberter one-on-one with Warriors. Saved by Damien. Stevens back up top to John. John over to Tolley Parsons. Over to Ryan Vall. He's got wide open Dale Stevens. Dale one-on-one score! And that face-off's pulled back by Kingston Edwards. That ball's still loose on the floor. And it'll be... It's big defense there by Seneca Mohawk. Shot. Ryan Vall has a full 30 with Newtown offense. Vall. His bench to pull it out. Here you go with Caleb Johnson. Johnson looks inside to Kean Beaver. Score! Nice two-man game on the left side. One-on-one with Thomas. Saved by Roy Thomas. Randall John can't touch it. Okay, it's picked up by Dalen Doobie. One-on-one. Oh, we got a delayed penalty. Porter behind the net, getting people to turn their heads. Here's Halberter. Big shot from the top. Just missed wide. Ball's still loose on the floor. That's picked up by Hawks. Dalen Stevens still in the corner. Ryan Vall, he's got to get a shot. And that'll be a 30-second shot clock violation. Good penalty kill for Newtown. 50 are all even. Randall John steps back on the floor. 5-on-5. Here's Porter. Good stick check there by Randall John. Porter gets it back over to Halberter. Big save by Damian Warrior. Ball's loose in the corner. That's Jordan Cook. And that's won by River Porter. He gets it over to score. That looks to me like Hayden Halberter. A good veteran mentor of mine by the name of Bear Henry. He says you don't have to shoot, like you just said, Greg, you don't have to shoot 1,000 miles an hour. You just got to place it.
Learned, that's what it is. You guys do an amazing job, and we do appreciate all the help from everybody.
Oh, yeah, of course. We're all human, Greg. We treat each other with respect. We make sure everybody's happy. Everybody's having a good time, and you're doing a good thing for the game as well as we are here. And that was a big... This looks like Hayden Halberter. Gets a pick by Marky Seneca. Swings it on over to River Porter.
It was the Pee Wee game that had it, but then Frankel coming out like that, and now just like that, I thought Newtown was on a breakaway. I'll turn it back over to you.
Yeah, a good face-off win by Newtown, right? An overtime game. Here's Ryan Vall. That shot didn't make it through for Onondaga, and look at Roy Thomas out there. Not all the time you get to play outdoors on a Thursday night. Here's Ryan Vall. Good shot, score! Thankful for him coming through the Newtown ranks. And this is a transition play. That was Jaron Perry. 2 hands on the stick there. We teach you that at Tykes. So here's Jaron Perry. Jaron, he gets inside. That's good defense there by Onondaga. Seneca Mohawk still trying to pick up. And that'll be a 5-second call on Ryland Redeye. I'm sorry, Cashton Moses. Here's Ryan Vall. Gets inside, a cutting Dale Stevens. Looks past him. Here's Caleb Johnson right back to Vall. Quick stick. Big save by Roy Thomas. Good defense there by Little Bucky. That ball's still loose on the floor. You got Jordan Cook and Cashton Moses fighting for it. Shiloh Pierce comes up with it. I might have lost myself, but we'll check in on it. Here's Dusty Mohawk. Over to Randall John. Randall down on the crease to Caleb Johnson. Score! Score! Tic-tac-toe, just like that, Greg. Oh, that ball was moving pretty nice there. Shot saved by Damian Warrior. That ball's loose on the floor. That's picked up by Cade Nephew. Nice wooden stick. Cade Nephew's playing with one of the oldest wooden sticks out there. Nice wooden stick. Cade Nephew's playing with one of the oldest wooden sticks out there. It's an Chen Martin, Greg. We don't see those sticks no more. They were made in the early 90s. Didn't make it through. Picked up by Dale Stevens. Dale looking for a shot. Good defense there by Ryland Redeye. Ryan Vall. Caleb Johnson, good step down. Oh, big save by Roy Thomas. Dalen Stevens. Dale Stevens gets it over to Ryan Vall. He steps wide right in, and that's a Gavin Windhausen. Here's River Porter. Onondaga goes up on a power play now. John going for the loose ball in the corner, guarded by Brennan Hill. Gets around him, saved by Roy Thomas. Newtown Golden Eagles, they are man down for about 1:07. Here's Helbeter. He's looking for Porter. Quick stick, shot, saved by Warrior. One thing I'm noticing right now, Greg, is Newtown is turning their backs, abandoning the play, and it's a turnover, Redhawks. Here's River Porter. Brendan Hill. Back up top to Porter. Porter steps down, score! Score! Back to center. Seneca gets it back over to Kean. Nice shot.
To cover all the levels here, as I'm starting to learn who's related to who, and you realize some of these guys travel. Nice save there. But, I mean, a lot of guys kind of get married, move around, so they grow up playing here, and I never know if it's a relative or not. You might bite off a little more than you can chew with that one, but I do appreciate it.
Here's Darren Perry looking inside. Caleb Johnson wide open. Couldn't control it. Yeah, ball's loose on the floor. Randall John picked up by Hayden Helberter. Up to Randall John, and he's got numbers. Randall keeps it. Shot saved by Roy Thomas. Randall with his own rebound looking over. Always go shout out to Woody Seneca, and Grandma's approved for supporting the minor lacrosse. There by Kean Beaver. He gets it up to Randall John. Randall waiting for, he's got Ryan Vall. Swings it over to Vall. He had an open of Evan John. Here's King Edwards being guarded by Randall John. Edwards swings it over to, he wants to do something. He looks inside. He was looking inside for Caleb Johnson. And that horn's going to sound, Greg, at the end of two. Why we're here, and this is why these kids are continue to play this game. You know, the medicine is there. Here's Kean Beaver. Oh, big save by Roy Thomas. That ball is loose on the floor. Picked up by Kean Beaver, looking upside to Ryan Vall. Another save by Roy Thomas. Roy Thomas.
In raining or swarmed by bugs, just like that out here.
And just like that, two big saves by Roy Thomas. Jackson with the rebound. Gets it on over to Kean Beaver. He's got time on his 30. Beaver takes a shot, didn't make it through, hit Ryland Redeye. For Kean, he's got 8 on a shot clock. Saved by Roy Thomas. 4 saves, 4 shots in the last possession for Thomas. Possession change. Here's Newtown. Dale Stevens. He's going to get doubled by River Porter. He strips and steals and runs. Here we go. Looking across for Hayden Helbeter. That's knocked down by Randall John. Here we go with Randall. Good. Doobie gets it up. He's looking up floor. That's intercepted by Johnson. He gets it up to Dale Stevens. Dale Stevens saved by Thomas. Johnson, another save by Thomas. I'm counting 6 saves in this last 2.5 minutes here, Greg. Porter, Helbeter. Marino. A little bit of English on that ball. Goes right back to Damian Warrior. And you know what? We've been fortunate to go up and help that league. Here's Dale Stevens. We'll get back to that. Big save by Roy Thomas. Culture, amongst all leagues, it's all there. We're all playing for the right reason. Here we go with Cade. Here we go with Cade Nephew. He's got that at Chen Martin. I'm going to call that at Chen Martin all day. Oh, and that's big defense. Beaver. Vall. Here's Darren Perry. He's got Cutting Johnson. Johnson, one fake. Big save. Big save by Thomas. So fast whistle. Darren Perry. Kean Beaver calling for it. Kean Beaver, wide open shot. Takes it, score! Thinking 6-5, Greg. I don't think that last goal was put up, no? Oh, Kean Beaver just scored that. Yes, sir, yep. And that's a big shot by River Porter. On a shot clock, back to Porter. Being guarded up by Ryan Vall. Vall comes up. Good defense there, picked up by Jordy Cook. Here's Cade Nephew with that HN Martin. That's a really beautiful stick there, Greg.
As if you score with a Woody.
So we are in stop time. Fetch. Here's Halberter. He's looking for a shot. Saved by Damian Warrior. 4 minutes remaining here in the game. Newtown looking to punch their ticket.
Tough when guys aren't really playing with the pressure of playing competitively. And a big goal there. No pressure on him.
That's a loose ball push on Dalen Doobie. It'll be Newtown ball. Oh, Frank Weesaw missed. Oh, now we got.
Absolutely.
Oh, good fake there, River Porter. Oguahu Hall being guarded up by Case and John. Good defense there by Case and John. Up by Cade Nephew and his Chen Martin. It's a 2-on-1. Seneca Mohawk gets a pass from Randall John. Seneca. Shot. Score! Perry going after his own rebound. Good defense there by Trevor Marino. Coming in. Oh, and this was King Edwards coming in hot. Kingston Edwards going to go. Oh, we got something here. Really keeping Onondaga in this game all game. Here's Hayden Halberter. Can't pick it up. That ball's still loose on the backside. Halberter's got a fresh reset and a 3-on-3. So here we go with Trevor Marino. Trevor gets met by Jaron Perry. Good defense there.